This is the trading review for Thursday, the second day of February 2023. Uh, it was a monster day today. I was looking at Meta and Tesla primarily, and Meta had a monster run. Uh, but the play that I wanted to make here was a sell off from R3, but by this time I was already done for the day, so I wasn't looking at that. Tesla, um, Tesla had it as an inside day with a question mark, and we had a bearish level 2, and this is the first trade I took. Let's see here, it was 955. I took this trade at this point because we were below the moving averages. We had R4 here and we have BPOC here, so there was a lot of selling pressure, and I made my entry with a stop loss at this defined range. It was only 40 shares, and I took a partial at 3R. We drop around 4R here, 60 cents stop loss. So it was very unfortunate that it pulled back with strength. I had an opportunity to get all out here for a 3R for the day, but unfortunately it just didn't work out in my favor, so I had to stop out at break even for 1R, which is not bad. um I think I should categorize it here. So this was an R3 reversal. It's an R3 short, so it's an A traverse. And we execute it perfectly. We Had I waited for the 5 minute, I wouldn't have not been able to take this trade. But it doesn't matter. We made our entry here, and then because Meta took a bit to get going, after 30 minutes, just broke out to the top side. But we were in the gray area, so I didn't take that trade. I switched over to Apple, which I had as an inside day. And I had it because it was an inside day. I was very hesitant to trade it, but we had a monster level 2. It was super stacked to the top side. So, oh, that's why I never took a reversal here. I'm happy with the fact that I didn't pay attention to the geometry of the candles. I'm very proud of the fact that I respected the level 2 and realized that we're just dropping as low as possible before having a big run. And I suppose this could have been my entry somewhere around here. I realized that we were gonna break out in this area after we were breaking out higher from VWAP. I wanted to make an entry at 148.85 with a stop loss of 148.65 for 20 cents R, and then partial slowly towards here. But I wanted to wait for I wanted this trade to be perfect, and you can see we made our entry to the penny here. I didn't wait for the 5 minute to close because I realized it would be it could run really fast and without me, and we were getting volume here. So it's a perfect entry, and it worked out beautifully under my favor. I partial half 149.40 on my position. I I wanted to partial at 149.80, but we were after this big candle, we were experiencing some kind of struggle here at 149.50. And I guess I lost my nerves a little bit, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna be conservative with my partials. So I partial another half of my position at 3R. And with that, I was having the day overall at around 3R. And I would have been happy with the day by then. But I waited for the push to the big stack at 150, and we had a lot of volume here. It actually took 2 minutes and a half to finally break through 150. So I decided to get out one penny before 150, but still 3R. And so I got out before this breakthrough because it was a lot of volume and it actually reversed from here a little bit. But we return, we continue to run a little bit more. So maybe I could have partial a bit less aggressively, but with after having this failed trade on Tesla and having a choppy morning, I wanted to just take money off the table, and you can see Apple try to poke again through 150, but it didn't really move much higher. Well, it did achieve 151, but that was the end of it. So I'm very happy with my trade. This was an R4 breakout, opening from the inside. Uh, so it's a B trade. Perfect execution. We won and we got 3R. So we ended up 4R for the day. I think today has been the best day so far with the system. We did not break any rules, and we followed our process beautifully. We took the trades that we saw, and they were excellent quality. We stayed away from temptation. You know, I'm learning to stay away from the focus of the geometry of the candlesticks. This was a very tempting R4 reversal. Um, so I did excellent staying away. I think the way I'm making money is by avoiding making stupid entries and trying to control my emotions. So I'm very happy with today's performance. An excellent day. Tomorrow is Friday, and despite these losses, we're having a monster run so far. So we're already at the monthly goal with 3, 6, 7, and then 10. Not necessarily the monthly goal, but this is a very good start for the month. So I'm very happy with that. Two trades and very profitable. So that's it.